Hey guys, this is Colin and this is my 30-day review of the Ride1Up Portola. I primarily rode it on the weekends to go to the supermarket. I've gone to the post office to drop off mail, gone to UPS to drop off packages, and then I did some light trail riding. After riding it, I like it even more than when I first did the review. If you haven't seen my review, you can find a link to that in the description section below. Since most of the things I've done are close by my house, I've only ridden 5.7 miles and I've only charged it once when I first got the bike. It seems to be holding the battery charge well, and it seems to be performing like new because it's essentially new. The folding function works well. I'm able to store it in my garage, and it's nice that it has these folding pedals, so it saves up space. The front shock has been working well, especially for all the bumps that I've been taking on the road. I did notice that when it is locked, there's like a millimeter of play, so that's just something to note. The front and rear brakes are hydraulic disc brakes, and they work very well, especially in urban settings. I'm able to stop and go at all the stop signs, and they work well. I was able to go down hills without any issues. The power is very good. The thumb throttle only goes up to 20 miles per hour. It would have been nice if it was able to go to 28 miles per hour, but I'm able to get 28 miles per hour pretty easily by pedaling. I usually get it within a block, and there's a 750 watt motor which helps it get there sooner. So my only suggestion would be if there's a way to unlock that 28 miles per hour with the thumb throttle. And pedaling wise, it does seem very easy, even at the lowest gear on the back. It's only 13 teeth. If they could do 11 or 10 teeth, or increase this one in the front to make it a little bigger, it would be nice so it doesn't feel like I'm wasting effort. Even at this hardest setting, when I pedal, it feels very easy. That's pretty much it for my 30-day review. Everything seems to be working well. I really like this bike, and if you're interested in buying this, check out the description section below for the latest pricing. Please like this video. If you found it helpful, feel free to leave questions or comments in the comment section below, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and take care.